Ken from Alliance Manufacturing here with a sweet message. Sweet, S-U-I-T-E. Sustainable, unique, innovative, timely, economical. Today I want to talk a little bit about the beautiful sunset we have behind us. And as the sun goes down here in Wisconsin, we're generating power on our facility. Clean power. We have 182 panels installed in 2018. And since the installation, we have generated 225 megawatt hours of power, which is a lot of power, good clean energy for building our equipment and running our facility. And it's also equivalent of about 345,000 pounds of CO2 emissions saved from going into the atmosphere. And it's the equivalency of approximately 2,600 trees being planted, which I love to work, but let me tell you, I have not planted 2,600 trees personally since 2018. We like doing good, sustainable things here, and so keep watching, and we appreciate your business.